attendees and esteemed guests, allow me to extend to you a most cordial welcome to this gala dinner. Your day-long deliberations have been a testament to the power of collective action in tackling the most salient issues of our times, and I'm sure the discussions have been an occasion for constructive exchange. We have the distinct pleasure of continuing these conversations in a more relaxed setting. We've assembled here tonight to celebrate the progress that has been made and to acknowledge the importance of continued cooperation and camaraderie. As a token of our appreciation for our efforts, we present before you a cavalcade of dances from the state of Himachal Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you over the peaks, through the valleys, into the heart of the land that is abode to snow and fog, to happy sunshine and to green pastures, to verdant forests and solemn deserts, to the pink rhododendron and the western tragopan, to the music of the rills and whistling of the woods, the flash of lightning and the thunder of heavens, to tinkling of the cowbells and call of the wild. Come, let me take you to the threshold where gods meet men and dance in unison, bringing together the marriage of tradition and modernity, of a happy past and happier dreams of future, of fantastic lore and exuberant festivals. Here is a place that has something to offer everyone. From the most popular tourist destinations to business and industrial opportunities, pilgrimages and educational institutions, handlooms and cuisine, indigenous medicinal plants, apples and stone fruit, it has God's plenty. A state that came of age in 1966 has been home to 12 districts, their vast cultures, their many dialects, their unique identities, their diverse histories, and their collective dreams. In each fold of the mountain is embedded a village that's home to a people proudly unique and yet Himachali and Indian. Difficult terrains haven't hindered its journey to becoming one of the most progressive states with impressive numbers on the literacy report card. While they welcome all symptoms of modernity, the people of the state wear their culture as their most cherished garment. They congregate at the slightest excuse, and they laugh, and they sing, and they dance for the least of reasons. The sense of community and shared lives has kept their folk cultures alive. The music of Himachal Pradesh is diverse not only in the multitude of the song and dance traditions it has to offer, but also in the way regional iterations of the same traditions become strong voices of the lived experience of Himachali people and conglomerate to constitute what we dearly call Pahari folk music. Our music is mostly dance-centric and facilitates the coming together of people through shared performances of Nati and Giddas. Natis are ballads that recall the existence of events, individuals and deities to the collective memory, serving as documents of history in their own right. Devabhoomi, Himachal Pradesh enthralls with its sights and sounds as its folk music resonates in the air. The beats of the dhol and the nagara, the tunes of Shehnai, Karnal, Ranasingha and Pipni lend music to the joys and sorrows, hopes and despair, faith and fears as the folk dances come together with rhythm and grace. We bring to your palate, ladies and gentlemen, this evening flavors from 6 districts of Himachal. Known for its high snow-capped mountain ranges, deep gorges and picturesque valleys, Kinnaur is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage and apple orchards. It is home to several indigenous tribes, including the Shencha, Bhodial and Kinnauris, who have a distinct culture and lifestyle. The people of Kinnaur have a rich culture dances. The traditional dances of Kinnaur are an important part of the district's cultural heritage. The dances include Losar, Rakshas, Birsu, Painting and Shinto. The Kinnauri Nati has slow, lilting music that reflects the life and pace of its people. The lead dancer carries a number made of gold or silver and hair from a dark scale. He wore long heels and invokes the divine. Be expressed through language, dress, food, marriage, song and celebration. Worshippers of Shiva, they celebrate life in all its forms. Folk dances and songs are integral to their social life. music, enchanting dance performances, and mouth-watering local delicacies. It is a unique fair that amalgamates religious fervor with cultural brilliance and economic transactions. Its traditional dance, the Kullu Nati, found place of honor in the Guinness Book of Records for the highest number of dancers dancing together, which then was 10,000 and later reached 14,000. Here is a sample. Amidst the grand Himalayan mountains, this enchanting land is home to the world's highest inhabited villages, the highest post office and the highest motorable passes, and boasts a rich cultural heritage that is a fusion of Buddhism and Hinduism. The traditional music of this mystical land is characterized by haunting melodies that transport the listener to a world of spiritual transcendence. Dance too is an integral part of the region's cultural fabric, with several unique dance forms that are indigenous to Lahore and Spiti. The oldest dance form of this region, Garfi, is truly folk in that it is a spontaneous flow of rhythm and motion after the dancers are happy on a drink or two of home-brewed liquor. That is when the bleak and frozen desert comes alive with spirit and mirth. a unique game of archery. The Silmori Nati is performed at weddings, festivals and cultural events and is an important part of the culture and heritage of Silmar. The dance is known for its energy, vibrancy and ability to bring people together in celebration of the local culture and traditions. Lies the district of Mandi. A land of mysterious allure with the grandeur of history, the vibrancy of art, the savor of cuisine, the divinity of temples, and the grace of dances coalesce to create a sublime tapestry of beauty and culture. The town of Mandi is known as Chotakashi because of its numerous temples. Blessed by the Sikh Guru Gobind Singh Ji, it is believed to be the safest place on earth. Dance is an integral part of Mandi's culture. The people of Mandi are simple, friendly folk who treasure their family and social bonds and allow tradition and culture to permeate their present worldview. It is in this setting that the valley, abuzz with godly music, celebrates the festival of Shivratri every spring. absent from our lives. They are there to participate in our joys, to mourn our losses, to guide us through our travails, to hold our hands in times of despair. And we, the mortals, love them, obey them, and revere them. Devotion to deities and devtas is the ubiquitous way of life for us. Music is never too far from our daily routines. Our deepest felt emotions find expression in our songs and dances. So, our folk dances are a spontaneous expression of the joy of life, and together with folklore and devotional music, they are vital to the celebration and social performance of religion. They are not individual journeys into excellence, they celebrate the social rubric they are born into. They sing of the joys of human interaction and they celebrate faith in the divine.
बाइक पर भी